Number 23. Jill, with number 7, Nicaragua. Number 7, Nicaragua. It's good. Number 7, Nicaragua. Pass to number 23, Padua. Number 23, Padua. Drive inside, Daniel. Pass, go. Now we'll go number 13. Number 13, side 7, move, Pinato. Now we'll go number 9, Tuba, Pola. Daniel, pass. Pasa dito ay number 99, number 99, side step moves. Wala pa rin. Number 23, pero may foul tayo. It's a offensive foul. Offensive foul on number 23, Padua. Pero bumi ito. Pero may foul tayo. Foul number 29. Deflected pass. It's simple. Number 27 pa rin. Number 27 pass to number 26. Number 26 lays up na malakas. Follow up, no. Okay, number 13 dito, bola. Number 13, pass to number 27, kapitawan ng bola. Nawa dito, number 99, nagmamadali. Number 29, St. Michael Wolves. It's good. Number 99, Antonio. Pass to number 21 for 3. Short. Leave a by number 7. Number 7, nagmamadali. Nice heel. It's up. Number 13. Number 13. Miscommunication. Turnover. Pero may foul tayo dito. Foul number 9. Number 26. Sayang. Nabinawan ng bola. It's a traveling violation. Number 7, 2 points. Number 17 back to number 9. Number 11, wala. Everybody know number 9, back to number 13. Number 13. Number 13. Nabakin ng pasa. Yung lang ang tira. Number 13, 2 points. Number 3, pass to number 34, go number 3. No, not one, not one, number 11. How do you pass? It's the same one. 30 seconds on the shot clock. 34, side step move. Pero may foul tayo. Foul number 27. 21. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 13. Number 13, pass to number 9, pass to number 7. It's 3 seconds violation. Number 11. It's turnover. Number 13. Pass to number 21. Number 21, driving side, go. Now one in number 17, it's good. Number 17, Dagdagan. Number 11. Can you pass? Get number 23. Pass to number 9. Wala. Tapi ka ng bola na wala number 13. Pass with pass number 27. Nabitawan ng bola. Sabrat. Number 17. Number 17. Number 17. Nasa kanya pa rin. 10 seconds. Number 17 lays up. No. Now what is it? Number 9. Pass to number 11 Santos. Number 11 Santos for 3. 5. Plus the basket. Foul is on number 21. Number 9 pass to number 21. Number 21 pass to number 26 Rivera. Pull up jumper. It's good. Number 26 Rivera. Number 17 Still the number 3. Number 3. Number 3 pass to number 30. Ball go number 3. No, now we need number 26 Rivera. Number 26 behind the back. Pass to number 20, pass to number 21. Libre, side 7 will be the complete violation. Number 11, alley pass. 17, pass to number 21. De La Cruz, tinignan pa, wala tuloy. Number 11, alley play. Number 9, Lozada, pero may foul. Foul dito, Foul number 9, number 9. Warning for disqualification. 5 seconds, number 34. Launches 3, no. 2 seconds. And that